What's up, everybody? I got another board I received yesterday. I'm going to open it up and see what's going on and where is it from. Where's my X-Acto knives? Always can't find them. Wow, very nice packaging. And this is a jacuzzi board, so let's see what's going on with this one and we'll go from there. Oh, I thought I already repaired this one. No, it's a different one. Oh, okay. I don't know, guys, if you follow my channel, but I actually repaired one of these guys probably a couple weeks ago. So, and then I got the same board and I'm like, oh, what is this? Is it a return job or something? Let's see. I think you saw the problem right away, right? Or it was just me? Let's see. Right there. Yeah, we have burned relay right here. Burn connector. I have to see how bad it is. I believe I still have those relays left from my other board that I fixed, but right off the bat I can see the problem. This is quite easy board. As you can see that most of the small components right there, usually the damage is always on the big relays, big capacitors, big components. Why? Because this is where you have all the load, all the power, all the amperage, so which is here. Now I don't think those connections are bad. I do think that I have to somehow, let me see. Yeah, I don't think they are bad, but I do think that one of the legs are the one from this relay right here, and I will need to join, so I have to create like a little pad here, which can be done. I don't think it's a big deal. It needs a really good cleanup for sure. Like even when I take the screw, I don't know if I should even take it. Maybe just create a pad on it and maybe clean it good with the brush, just because my biggest concern with those kind of joints and jobs and all that stuff, when you take those things apart, you might cause more damage. So yeah, so this is an obvious problem. It's an easy fix. I just need to think how to do that correctly, because I have to think what to do with this pod still. It's very important to have this pod connected, because one of the legs, the relay leg, is actually sitting on the pod, and it looks like we might have another small issue here. Maybe another wire needs to be joined. Small wire. You see how it's... I don't want to break it even more, but I think I will need to connect this side with here, which is quite particular job, and you really need to do it properly. Yeah, it looks like I need to connect this wire here, which is... it's going to be a little bit challenging, but it's possible. And I don't want to get it higher than, you see those pins, so not higher than 1/16 of an inch, maybe. I will see. But yeah, I think it's possible. I do see lots of problems for sure here on this side. I will check online if they actually sell those pods, because if they do, then I can get like a pod. Like this side I think is good. This side is not too bad. Just the coat came out, like the insulation wherever they put, but I think other than that the copper is good. So yeah, so in order to fix this, there's a couple of things going on here. So this connector is good, all the other relays are good. I'm sure this board can be fixed. I will check the fuses. Let's just check them right away. Yeah, that's good. This good. Yeah, all the fuses are good. Yeah, so the obvious problem is right here. Usually when those small components, if something burned, you'll see it right away, like the transistors or chips or something like that, because it's such a small component, 12 or 24 volts, they burn right away and you see the mark. So I'm not really worried about this. This looks okay, everything seems to be okay, the chips, everything good. This is the... so we need to, in order to fix this problem, this relay, no good, see, it's burned out. So we need one relay, and I believe I do have them. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna post a separate video for this for repair. This is just the diagnostics and observation. But yeah, I have this relay, I believe. If I don't, I know where to get them. And those things happens. I think I had the same board a couple of weeks ago. This happens because the actual... I'm not sure if it's a sauna. Then even still, moisture. You have moisture coming outside from the sauna over time, penetrate the control board, and causing damage. Okay, so we need one relay. This pod seems to be okay. I don't think we have to replace it. This pod, I want to replace it or repair it. Ideally replace it if possible. If not, I will repair it. The way I'll show you in a separate video how I do the repair, but I have to find a copper piece, or maybe a couple of them, and join them with this pod together. And the last thing is, because the heat damaged this wire as well, I need to find a... I believe I do have this thin copper wire. You see how there's a little line going right there? I will need to do the same on this line. So I have a little bit line still left. The trace line, I have to connect it here and go all the way nicely up till here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Continuity test from here to here. See, it's open. So I need to take this, like you see, from here to here, it's open. But it's important, it's probably some resistors are connected there, you see, so you need this line connected as well. So from here to here, it's open. I'm just checking from here to the upper piece. Yeah, it's good. So I will extend this all from this point to here with some wire. I'll think about it, and then I will clean all this mess if I'm not going to be able to find anything like this, and replace the relay, extend this leg, make a nice cut here like this, you know, so it looks like it's all intact, make it all straight, clean it all nice, join everything. It's gonna take some time though. I think maybe an hour, maybe a little bit more, depends or on how things go. And then the relay I will have to remove too and replace it right there. So this is the video tutorial for today. This is for jacuzzi board. I'm not sure what's the make, but I had the same board. I know how to fix those, guys. Actually, we never worked before on jacuzzi boards. We just started it recently, I think this year or maybe the end of last year, but yeah, it's something recent we started, and actually those boards are not very complex. I fixed few of them already, so that's pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you again, and take care.